Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 1, 2022, 1 star Sudoku. 6th row, 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are running, 1 and 5, it will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column E, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G and third grade, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come here another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Second row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B and second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 276. 7th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 9th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 4th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 4. Column E, column F also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column J, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 10th row and 9th grade, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J and 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 8th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column F, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column E, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 4th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.